There is a growing consensus across businesses regarding the strategic value of IT. Cutting IT costs and creating business value has been on the agenda of every IT organization shaking off the cost center image. Consequently, IT financial management expanded to the technology business management framework, taxonomy, and best practices in order to run and steer your IT and any other technology-focused service organizations as a business. Based on ITFM and TBM, Serviceware provides customers with a cost model that allows for a speedy decision-making, sophisticated steering, and millions of cost-cutting and value creation opportunities, the digital value model. Good day to you, everyone. My name is Christopher Bortz. I am partner and consultant with the strategic service consulting team of Serviceware SE, and I had the pleasure to introduce the digital value model to you in our first video. Technology Business Management, or TBM, is a framework and taxonomy to run and steer your IT or any technology-focused service organization as a business. To that effect, Technology Business Management is to the discipline of IT financial management what ITIL is to IT service management, with the caveat that TBM is much less comprehensive. Here also lies the big challenge of TBM. It does not provide concrete guidelines how to operationalize the framework. This gap is closed by the Serviceware digital value model. It is a readily available cost model based on the TBM taxonomy within Serviceware Financial with a standardized but still adaptable implementation approach. The four cornerstones of the digital value model are: first, a flexible data model based on the TBM taxonomy. Second, a comprehensive set of steering KPI and analytics features. Third, templates for standard AI-enhanced ITFM processes. And last but not least, tailored and proven consulting best practices. The flexible data model of the digital value model easily brings together your distributed data relevant to IT cost steering, regardless of their current location, whether it be Excel sheets, your ERP system, or your ITSM or EAM systems. Now, having your data in the model instantly, you can gradually build on your individual cost model. For instance, you can start by simply mapping your IT cost elements to the cost pools and identify your IT cost centers with the IT towers within a few days. By doing this, you will gain integrated top-down perspectives on your total IT budget to gain first insights, e.g. via benchmarking. You can then gradually model your service costs along three dimensions. First, horizontal. That means you can vary the number of service areas in focus. Second, vertical. So you can vary the number of value chain layers and service dependencies. And third, the granularity, or more precisely, the number of services, service variants, and service options you include in your DVM model. It is key to understand that the digital value model always starts with the TBM taxonomy as the default, and it can stay in this context if it serves your business needs. However, iterations and more sophistication is always an option and certainly achievable. Whether or not we pursue this route with you is subject to a business case assessment where the incremental cost of data management and administration needs to be evaluated in close comparison to the additional business value gained. let us turn to the KPI and analytics features of the digital value model. Once the cost model has been initially set up, the digital value model provides a comprehensive set of steering and reporting KPI, many of which are available very early on to instantly generate first insights regarding bottom line saving potentials. Examples for more advanced custom KPI are cost steering and benchmarking on a service level, the qualification and quantification of the impact of change and run activities, FinOps and cloud cost analytics, and last but not least, service demand and consumption steering. Let us now turn to the third cornerstone of the digital value model, the ITFM processes. The digital value model comes with a set of templates for end-to-end IT financial management standard processes spanning multiple systems. For instance, service cost calculation and charging, short and midterm planning and forecasting, plan versus actuals controlling, and finally, scenario building and analytics. The digital value model features a number of artificial intelligence and machine learning use cases that vastly advance your ITFM processes, which will be continuously expanded. Some examples that are already available is the possibility of leveraging the power of AI in planning and forecasting via predictive analytics, the improvement of your capabilities in plan versus actuals controlling via highlighting outliers and potential root causes, as well as cross-platform process automation via AI-driven data management and quality enhancement. Let us now turn to the fourth and last cornerstone of the digital value model, the comprehensive consulting services. Digital value model consulting services consist of 4 pillars. The first and most basic pillar is the technical implementation and tool readiness consulting. The second, more advanced pillar is the conceptual process, data and steering model, as well as organizational change management consulting. Once your DVM and system are implemented, our advanced value engineer consultants come in to uncover insights from the DVM data, identifying optimization potentials and deriving initiatives realizing those potentials. The fourth and last pillar is our offer to you to support your IT organization as well as your financial or purchasing departments in carrying out the identified optimization initiatives until the optimization potentials are in fact realized. What you should take away from this video are essentially 3 things. The digital value model is much more than just a data model or just another tool. It comes with an advanced steering logic, process templates, implementation support, and various consultative options. The unique synergies of these DVM elements open a fast track to comprehensive technology business management. And with the digital value model, Serviceware is your #1 partner to transform your IT from a mere cost center into a value and performance center. Ready to dive deeper? Our experts are available for a personalized consultation. Schedule a meeting now to get started or watch videos 2 and 3.